Hi guys, I'm Tehlan Stephen. I'm studying BSc Horns Agriculture in AC and RI Kilikulan. In this video, we're going to discuss about the duty and responsibility of agriculture officer in marketing. Role of an agriculture officer. An agriculture officer has to ensure that all the agriculture practices and products are in lieu of the state and local regulations. Main task is to check, investigate, sample and test everything so as to determine whether they are complying with the state and local rules and regulations. Agriculture marketing responsibilities. Today, the demand of the agriculture equipments and products are very much high. Most of the farmers want to use the new ways of producing crops and find the most appropriate way of growing efficient crops. Agriculture marketing totally deals with the demand and supply of all the agriculture products and equipments. The officer is responsible for selling, pricing, advertising, packing, promoting, planning, and accounting. Agriculture marketing officers' responsibilities. Agriculture marketing officers work for Farming Supply Corporation, farmer supportive and farm marketing bodies to market farm produce. Marketing managers plan. Expand and apply marketing policy in order to attract purchaser and boost up profits. Marketing officer is responsible for supplying the entire product on time and make sure that they will reach the exact customer. Role of marketing. Farming rules and regulation for the protection of interest of some sections of the population. These may result in the grant or restrictions of monopolies, restrictions on the activities of traders, licensing and market regulation. Establishment of organization to provide service to the farmers for performing certain marketing functions. Promotion of farmers, cooperative societies for agriculture marketing and agro-processing. Influencing supply and demand by regulating import internal procurement and distribution. Implementing strategy. Marketing officer follow a strategic plan, typically set by more senior marketing officer, for how their organization will achieve and maintain a competitive advantage in the market. They help implement the strategy that is prioritize activities on the marketing road. Marketing officers may set the strategy and put together an editorial calendar that supports the growth of their goals. Many marketing officers build relationships with the media in order to promote the company messages. They often need to encourage with other outside the company to such as vendors, partners. Extension and farmer know-how officer. Activities include improving provision of inputs and knowledge to smallholder farmers through the introduction of contract farming, and working with government agencies and commercial sector to develop and roll out technologies such as improved seed varieties, to develop the strengthen parallel systems whereby smallholder farmers can access through the private retail sector the necessary inputs, services and knowledge they require to farm cotton and other crops successfully, sustainably and profitably. The Extension and Farmer Know-how Manager will be responsible for working with public and private sector partners to improve the extension and knowledge transfer service that farmers receive, thereby increasing the uptake of best agriculture practice by farmers, especially cotton farmers. This will involve developing strategies to encourage and facilitate increased provision of cotton extension services by ginners and local government authorities, and assisting these partners in implementation, ultimately leading to the introduction of high quality, sustainably funded cotton extension services throughout the lake zone. The ideal officer will have a commitment to market development solution for rural poverty alleviation, excellent knowledge of best agriculture practice in cotton and other rain-fed crops, with understanding of conservation, agriculture technologies, and added advantage, at least 5 years recent relevant experience in the development and rollout of agriculture extension services at scale. The major duty of the officer. Farmers market officers need a variety of interpersonal and technical skill to work effectively with farmers, consumers, and community partners. It is critical that more market officers have the following skills to perform the job effectively: effective problem solving, creative thinking, self motivation, organizational skills, communication skills, marketing skills, financial skills, passion, and dedication to this community. Thank you, guys. That's it.